Hey, what's up guys? It's Jose with Direct Liquidation. Today we're going to be unboxing a Liquidation Power Tools Gaylord. Now this pallet is one that we randomly picked out of the ones that were ready to be shipped today. And so this right now is in the hands of one of our customers. Right off the bat, we have a strip nailer. We're gonna just put that down safely to get that to our customer. We also have from the same company a coil nailer. Now you're going to see in this pallet, we have a lot of different brands. Right here, we have a paint sprayer from Magnum. So it's a little bit different. We already have nails and paint sprayers. Here we have another paint sprayer from Flexio. Now, you can see that all of these pallets have items that are pretty much brand new. Like these boxes are pretty pristine. Now we have another nailer here from the same Metalbow company as we had the other 4 nailers, and right there you're making a good profit off of just those few items. We have another paint sprayer. So right now, just nailers and paint sprayers and you're already making a profit. Let's get some variety. I mean, here you have a weed whacker. It looks like it has everything. You have a Cobalt retracted hose. This is quite heavy and it'll probably get you a good profit. With our truckloads, you'll be getting 20 to 26 of these Gaylords full of items. And this is just one Gaylord that's already at one of our customers. We have another paint sprayer here. And this is just full of paint sprayers, and they're all chipping away at that cost that you originally did and making you a good hefty sum of money. Here we have a Cobalt router table. So as you can see, they're not just paint sprayers, nailers, they're all types of items from all brands. This one's Cobalt. We have another Cobalt in here. It's a Cobalt drill in its original casing. So it's perfectly ready for you to sell to your customers. Here's another paint sprayer, and right there, we're making a good heft of your money back that you initially did into the truckload. And this is just one Gaylord of the many that you're gonna get. Now, we have locations across the United States from East Coast to West Coast. So no matter where you are in North America, we can get you your inventory at the lowest cost at the best prices possible. Now, we still have another half of this Gaylord to unbox, but I think you get the point. I think you can see how much money you're making back from just this one Gaylord. So thank you for watching. If you have any questions, you can find our contact information in the description down below, and I look forward to hearing from you soon. Thanks for watching.